Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to talk about Heatmap with custom labels. So here you see my labels are morning, afternoon, evening, night, and late night. And here I'm having the days of the week. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And based on my data, I created this customized labels for my heat map. But we want to learn how we did that. First of all, I'm having the size of the figure. Then I'm having the days. So I'm including Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So 5 days are included. And I'm having 5 times, you see, morning, afternoon, evening, night, and late night. After that, we would like to create a 5 by 5 matrix with random numbers between 1 and 99. So the starting point is 1, but the ending point is 99 because 100 is exclusive. Okay. So, and we are going to generate randomly integer numbers between 1 and 99, therefore, to create a 5 by 5 matrix. Then, now that we created everything, we assign the numbers to the data. So our matrix is in data. I use the heat map keyword, let's say function, and then I plot the heat map with my data. That is a 5 by 5 matrix. Then I'm having the anode equals true, meaning that these numbers are showing on each cell. So when I remove this part and I run, you see that you will see no number on each cell. But when I have anode equals true, we see that the numbers are there also. So we are having the anode for having the numbers on each cell. Then I'm having the color map. So I choose this color. This is my scale. And it's a very nice color, in fact. You can store the code if you are interested. Then we are having the labels of the X here, X axis. The labels, in order to have them, we are assigning times to them. So times is my morning until the late night label. So morning until late night, they're on X axis. In order to assign that, we need to have the keyword X tick labels, and we assign times to it. Then we are assigning days to Y tick labels. So we are having the y-axis with the days label, starting from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday until Friday. And finally, we are having the line width 0.5. We can have a thicker line width. For example, when I do it, you see that it's thicker. If I have, for example, 5.5, you will see that it's much thicker, but it's something that you can customize. So you can choose what you want. We can, for example, by default consider 0.5 because I think it's nice enough. And finally, we are having the heat map with custom labels. This is the title. You see here the font is 14, the font size, and then we are having it shown in bold. So in this video, we learned how we can have customized x-axis and y-axis labels. Thank you for watching.